that there is trader in everyone.
We believe there is a trader in everyone.
We believe there is a trader in everyone.
We believe there's a trader in everyone.
हो गया ना? Cut. We believe that there is a trader in everyone. The art and science of trading can be learnt. We believe that you can master yourself.
Trouble with range-bound movement in equities? Why not join me in foreign exchange trading and be a multi-asset trader?
We believe market psychology can be understood with the help of technical analysis.
You can trade in any market conditions.
Join India's first
Multi-asset
Trading Mentorship Program.
Join our multi-asset trading mentorship program, equity, commodity, currency markets.